Quick video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what you're going to need to set up a money-making PLR sales funnel. Okay, so the very first thing that you want to do is you want to repurpose a small portion of it as a giveaway. So let's say that you have a report, a PLR report that you're going to be selling. Okay, what you want to do is you want to take some snippets out of there, okay, and create a small giveaway report. Or if you have videos, okay, if you have videos on a topic, maybe put together a quick little, it can even be a page, as small as a page, just a quick highlight of what your videos are about, okay? But repurpose a very small portion of it and use it as a giveaway. It's very important to have a giveaway. And honestly, I've found over the years, the actual giveaway quality doesn't matter as much as you might think it was. Like, don't give away absolute garbage, but you don't have to kill yourself creating this, okay? Just something very simple, okay? Then the next thing that you want to do is you want to set up a very simple squeeze page. We're not going to be asking for a lot of information. We're not going to be trying to sell anything. All we want to do is give away something, giving away something of great value, okay? So just set up a very simple squeeze page. Now, another thing that you're going to need in this money-making sales funnel is you're going to need to have at least one low-dollar OTO, or one-time offer. Okay? You want to have at least like a $9 or a $10 one-time offer or an upsell right after they opt into your list. Then after that, ideally, you're going to have your own upsell, or if you don't yet have an upsell that's, say, $40, $30, $50, $90, $100, if you don't have something like that, what you want to do is you want to use an affiliate upsell. Okay, so you're going to want to join an affiliate program, someone that offers products in that, higher dollar range. Even a ClickBank product that was, say, $27 or $37 would be fine, but make sure right after they buy from you that they're presented with another related offer. And ideally, like I said, it will be your own offer, okay? But if you don't have a high dollar upsell, which you will very shortly, if you put together a couple of PLR packages, bundle them up together in a little higher dollar package, and then you have a high dollar upsell that you sell as your own. And then you also want to make sure that you have offers, either your own offers for additional products or affiliate offers on your download page. That's very important because a lot of your money, maybe 20, 30, 40% of the money that you earn in this PLR business is going to come from those offers that are on your download page. Then the final thing you want to make sure you do is that you set up your follow-up messages inside of your autoresponder. Because remember, they're getting into your sales funnel through this giveaway report, so make sure that, if they don't buy from you right away, that they're going to get other related offers down the road. And that's how you set up a money-making PLR funnel.